Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to put on stripped lashes. So if you don't know how to put on stripped lashes, continue watching this video and let's get into it. So what you need is some lash strips. Whatever your favorite lash strips or lashes you love to use or your go-to, use those and make sure they fit your face and your eyes perfectly. Now the lashes that I'm using today are from Minx lash brand. This is my lash brand, and these are my favorite lashes that I always wear. Like, these are my go-to. And this lash style is called Crushin. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to apply lashes with these lashes. Alright, the second thing you need is some lash glue. I love to use Lash Duo. This is my go-to lash glue that I always use for my lashes. I don't use hair glue. I don't recommend using hair glue. Hair glue is very bad. Like, don't ever use hair glue. And I'm not gonna lie, I used to use hair glue when I first started putting on strip lashes, and it was good at first, but as time went on and I started, using more and more hair glue to apply my lashes, my eyes started becoming very irritated and making my eyes red and stuff. And it's like, it's hair glue for a reason. It's not lash glue. It's not for your eyes, so it's definitely going to irritate your eyes. So I suggest using either Lash Duo or any other type of lash glue that's out there, but make sure it's lash glue and not hair glue. Alright, so now we're going to take your lashes. I use my hands. You can also use a tweezer, a lash tweezer, but I love to apply my lashes with my hands, so I'm going to be showing you guys how to do it, and I'll do another video applying it with the tweezers if you guys need that video. So make sure mine is already cut because I cut it with my lashes, but you want to cut the end of each side. You want to measure it up and make sure it fits your eyes. So before you apply, I'm not going to do it in this video, but before you apply your lashes, make sure make sure they line up perfectly with your eyes, and make sure you trim the end. Alright, so now I'm going to take my lash glue and apply a small line across the lash band. You do not, I repeat, you do not need a lot of lash glue. A little bit goes a long way, trust me, and they last all day. Alright, so we apply the lash glue. Now I like to fan mine or whatever, but just fan it. Let it get tacky. You want to let your lash glue get tacky. And I will continue to do this for maybe about 15 seconds, maybe 20 max. Your lash glue will start to turn clear, and that's how you know it's ready to be applied, because when we applied it, it was like a bluish, purplish color. Alright, so now you want to line it up. I like to line my corner up with my inner corner, and that's how I apply mine. I don't start from the middle, I start from the inner corner. So I make sure I apply this part in the inner corner, and I just fit it with my eyes. Okay, and you want to use your hands to actually push your lashes in to secure it. And this is gonna take some practice, but the more you put on your lashes, your strip lashes, the better you'll get. Okay, we got one on, and let that glue, you see some glue in the inner corner, that's gonna dry up. So I used to like black glue, but I'm starting to love this clear, because once it dries up and clears and dries up, it's not gonna be there. It's not gonna be noticeable. It's gonna be clear. So nobody's gonna ever notice your lash glue. Alright, I'm gonna take the second one and do the same thing. And let it dry for like 15 to 20 seconds. You see how the glue in the inner corner just dried up? It's not there no more. So you're gonna be good, trust me, don't worry about it. Alright, and we're gonna do the same thing that we did for this eye, So make sure you wanna trim your lashes before you apply it, make sure they fit you perfectly. And then you wanna line up the inner corner with this inner corner and then make sure they fit you out perfect. And then you mash it. You want to secure your lashes, so just push the lashes until your lash line. Okay, and there you have it. This is my go-to lash style that I always use, that I always wear. That is it for this video. I hope you guys are able to put on your strip lashes and practice. It's not going to be easy at first, trust me, but the more you do it, the better you get, and you will become a beast at putting on your lash strips. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe this video, and I'll see you guys next time.